got the girls out here. We got them outside. Two cans out there. One is over here in this tree and the other one is over there. They're usually really loud, but right now they're kind of chilling. Good morning, tribe. I gotta watch my steps, so if you see me looking down, it's because we're walking down the mountain. But today, I'm super excited because I am going to my third surf lesson. But what makes this lesson even more special is the fact that I get to do an interview with our surf instructor, Ariel. Y'all probably don't remember Ariel, but y'all, I remember him. He was the guy who helped us get a great deal on parasailing during Ariel's birthday 3 years ago. So we've been seeing him like since we've been here. I've seen him a couple of times and I always make sure to say hey to him. But one night in particular, we were all on the bus together riding back into town from the beach, and we had a really great conversation with him about how he's going to build a business and how he's just so happy that, you know, we remember him and that we can rekindle this friendship and stuff. And it's a long story, but basically we're going to go do an interview with him today and get to know him and get to know more about what Pura Vida and life in Costa Rica is like from a local's point of view. So
these waves, they're no joke today. Chloe out there surfing and I'm relaxing. She is right there. Go, Gigi, go. Go, Gigi, go. Eh. Oh, eh. Oh, my girl drowning. Them waves is taking her out. Tired, y'all.
and I keep hearing the lifeguards like blowing the whistle. I'm like,
Yeah.
do you think we'll be out here?
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what they were trying to say. She tired. How you feeling, Jenny?
Exhausted. I need a break.
You need a break.
I think I'm about to extend my elbow a little bit.
Dang.
We said I was doing pretty good though. I feel like I was able to ride like 3 out of 5 of the waves. That last one, I knew I needed a break. I didn't even stand up. I just rode it all the way to shore. I was like, I'm standing on this board.
Wait.
I didn't even try to stand up.
Girl, that hair long.
It's the water dripping. It's the, you know, when you surf, it go up your nose. It's the snot coming down. It's everything.
Everything. It's really taking you out. Girl, about to sleep good tonight.
Exhausted ain't the word, yeah.
You done?
Exhausted is not the word.
She paying. She said, I'm done. Let me see your colognes. And money, money, money. She's so funny. Sniffles. That salt water would do it to you. Clean you all the way out. Y'all sick? Just come to the beach.
Just make you feel better.
Just make you feel better. Oh my gosh.
Hey tribe, I'm here with my friend Ariel. We're in Manuelantonio, and today we're just doing a short interview just to get to know Ariel and what he does here in Costa Rica and a little bit about the culture here in Costa Rica.
Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Ariel. I'm from Costa Rica.
Are
And
you from like the Manuelantonio area?
I'm from Manuelantonio. I'm living here for more than 15 years and working on the beach. I live with my dad here in Costa Rica, in Manuelantonio. And right now I do surf lessons for tourists, and I work in parasailing too.
Yes, actually over 3 years ago we did our first parasailing with Ariel, and that's how I met him. It was such a great experience. We did it for Ariel's birthday. and we honestly, we had like the best time. That was so much fun for us. So I'm happy that we met you and we got to have that experience with you.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, I absolutely suggest if you guys are in Manuelantonio, do your tour with him. I'll see if I can get some contact information, but like he was the best person to do our excursions with, and we're actually going to do some surf lessons here today. So
Today we're gonna do surfing, yes?
yeah, how long have you been surfing? Like, have you been doing it since you were younger, or like?
I'm started doing surfing when I have like 6-7 years. I'm gonna start with boogie board first,
Yeah.
and then little by little I practice with the board, and now I have more than 10 years doing surfing.
Wow.
Yes, but it's super fun. I recommend it to everybody to do surfing. Surfing es pura vida.
So when you're not here on the beach, when you're not surfing and parasailing, like what are you doing? Are you usually hanging out with your friends? Are you like taking care of family?
Bueno, I spend all my time with my family, with my dad and my sons. But when I have day off, I usually go to the beach and other beaches, waterfalls or jungle.
Okay, so
I
you're
try
outdoors
to
then.
play soccer, things like that.
So one of the big things here that everyone says is pura vida, pura vida. I heard that pura vida could mean a lot of things, but like what does it mean for you?
Pura vida for me is like pura vida is like it's pura vida, right? But for me it's like everything is nice, everything you're good, you're safe, you're welcome. It's too many different words, good words together in one pura vida, right? That's for me pura vida.
So you can say good morning, pura vida.
Pura vida. You can say somebody say hello, you say pura vida. Or you wanna say hi when you finish something, you say pura vida. But pura vida is when you have a really good. Are you appreciated what you did or the people give you something good and you say pura vida.
What makes Manuelantonio or Costa Rica special to you?
When I start working on the beach and with tourists, and to be honest, I never go to the north or other place to Costa Rica work.
Really?
I just work here. That way it's special for me. Also the national park, the beautiful beaches, the people.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
So you never been to like Guanacaste or La Fortuna?
Not for work.
Not for work.
Just for enjoy or for chilling, but not for work because I don't feel like this is the place almost where I born. So for me it's my house and I know where I can find the good places and everything.
So it's special to you because you grew up here and you know it so well.
Exactly, because I grew up here, because I live here with my dad, and because I find my love here too. So that's why it's very special too.
I love Manuelantonio because it is one of the places that you have the mountains here and then you have the beach there.
Exactly. Between you are between of two blessed.
Two beautiful things. Yeah, I went to Puerto Viejo and it's mostly flat. It doesn't have the mountains, but it has beautiful beaches. And then other places might not have the beach, like San Jose doesn't have the beach, but it has the mountains. And I think here it's like the sweet spot that you have both, everything.
Yeah. You guys rent a hotel here, and you go to the beach or you go to the waterfall, and very close,
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes it special.
What you mentioned, the national park, like going there to see the monkeys and the sloths and everything, that was pretty cool. I really enjoyed going to the national park.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Do you do tours of the national park as well, or you just mainly do like the beach tours?
I don't do tours there because I focus more on do surfing and work here on the beach. But when I have to do, I can do it. I know how, and when I get people to wanna go to asking to me to go to the national park, I recommend one guy, one of my best guy, and they do. But yeah, it's amazing.
I can tell that you spend a lot of time on the beach because you have like the bleach hair, like the blonde from the sun.
Oh yeah, my hair too. Yeah, and right now I have more because I drive the jet ski right now.
Yeah.
I have to be on the jet ski almost all day. When it's low season, in my job, in the company from my boss, we are like at 10 or 11 guys working when it's high season. But right now he have a
smaller team.
5, so I have to do another jobs.
Yeah.
But yeah, I am in the sun like 6 or 7 hours a day.
Oh, I have a good question.
Mm-hmm.
How have you seen Costa Rica change? You've been here in Manuelantonio for a long time. How have you seen it change over the years? I'm sure there's a lot more businesses and stuff.
Oh yeah, like 4 years ago, Manuelantonio is coming different.
Yeah.
It's more constructions, more business. Actually, more people from other countries working on the beach. You know.
Yeah, I
sellers
met someone from Colombia who came here from Colombia to come work here.
Yeah, but some people say, no, this is not good. But you know, I think everybody need to eat, and need to survive.
Exactly, yeah.
And I think this Manuelantonio is very blessing, and we use that blessing to everybody. You know.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. That is, and it's like, at the end of the day, it may be a little more competition, but if you're a good person like you, and if you do your job, and you know you give people a great experience, it doesn't matter who else is here.
Exactly.
They're gonna come to you because they appreciate what you do.
Exactly. Everything works with energy, and I think that is very positive. When you meet some person for first time, you need to do the best, and you know, because you never know, the people can come back again, and it's like that.
So meeting different people around the world, like how is that for you? Is it very exciting? Is it like a little, because you know, different cultures, sometimes you don't maybe understand people and it's just a little weird. Like how has that been for you?
That's crazy, but it's very nice too, because sometimes you find people very nice, sometimes you find people very hard.
Yeah.
But nobody's perfect, nobody is the same, you know. But it's super fun. It's very nice experience and meet people from different countries, because you learn about them and they learn about you, and you know you learn about how make different foods from different countries, and that's very nice. I think that's very nice experience, and I think the other people from the other countries, they have to think the same.
So what does a typical day look like for you? You guys are on the beach so early. Like what does a day look like for you?
Maybe, how you say, miércoles?
Wednesday.
Wednesday is the low day for us.
Okay.
And not much people, no, sorry, before Wednesday is martes.
Tuesday.
Tuesday is the bad day, because, not bad day, it's the low day, because it's the national park closed. So
Not many people come.
the tourists spend the day in the hotel, or they go to other places, to other beaches.
But on the weekends, it's super, a lot of people
On the
come
weekend
in.
is very good. We have a lot of people coming every day. After 12 o'clock is when we have like the people coming, because people usually go to the national park in the morning, and then they spend the day here on the beach.
So in the mornings, maybe on the weekends, you're here early, but you're relaxing more. And then in the afternoons is when you do a lot of the tourist surfing.
Yeah, especially when it's summertime. In the afternoon,
Busy. I can only imagine.
it's 1,000 people here on the beach.
Wow. Probably packed everywhere. Yeah. And what time do you maybe like in the day? I know the sun sets here maybe around 5 p.m.
The real sunset start like 5:30. The real one, when it's almost done. But yeah, after 4:45, the afternoon here is amazing. Yeah, it's very nice.
Beautiful sunset. And then you're probably headed home like maybe later on to go back and start it all over again the next day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. This is the last question, and then if you want to say anything else, then you can tell us maybe about your business or whatever you want to say. But the last question is something that makes life like very meaningful. Like what makes life important?
Wow, that's a good question. For me in this moment, it's my family, my sons, and my wife. But also this place is very important for the naturaleza. I want to say in Spanish, naturaleza. I don't know how to say it in English. And the animals make me so happy, like the birds and you know the raccoons, the monkeys. That things are your life totally different. When you see animals try to find food, animals try to survive close to you, or you can help because sometimes I find animals on the street and I go help, you know, like sloths or monkeys. It's beautiful, but I think that things make your life very important every day when you wake up.
I can definitely agree with that. Yeah, it's the simplicity of it. It's you know, you see the beautiful birds, and like you said, the monkeys, and everyone is just here surviving and living and helping each other. And you know, you don't harm the animals, you take care of them, and treat them like family as well.
Yeah. And sometimes when I come to my job, because you know, we never, sometimes you wake up not good, with your energy you're down, and you are a little bit sad. But when I come here and I see the animals, or when I see the macaws or something, that make my you know, my, how you say? Mental be positive, you know, in that moment, and think different.
Yeah, I can definitely agree. It's hard to be mad and angry in Costa Rica. It's
always
hard.
Something make you happy after you be sad.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for doing an interview with me today. Is there anything you want to say, like to people that might come here, or like anything about your business or anything?
Yes, I want to tell to everybody to visit Costa Rica, because it's a very nice place. The people are so nice too. And also we have much things to offer to you guys, like jungle, forest, nature, ocean, snorkeling, too many things.
It's beautiful here.
It's beautiful here. Right now it's a little bit like expensive everything, but I think that's in everywhere.
Yeah.
But it is what it is, right?
Exactly. The world, everywhere, people's having issues and problems and stuff, so I definitely can understand that. Even I've noticed that when we were here last time, it is a little bit more expensive as well. But yeah, like you said, I think it's everywhere. You know, the economy in different places globally is just, it's a little bit harder for everybody. And one thing that I did hear about is that there haven't been many tourists this year as usual, you know?
Yeah, we have a, how you say, like low people coming these 2 years ago. And maybe for security, or for, how you say that?
Security, yeah.
Yeah, because we have to be honestly, we have like now organizations from different countries, but now the government is working in that. I see the TV, and they're gonna put more regulation in everything, and that's gonna be good. I think this year, or this year's coming, is gonna be much more safe and much better to everybody.
That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Because one thing I do love about Costa Rica is that I feel safe here. I feel like, you know, and I notice that community is important here. Like every time I meet people, they always talk about how much, you know, they love hanging around with their family and their friends, and that they just look out for each other a lot. Like where I stay here, we rented a place here for a little bit, for like a short term. And the neighbors are always so welcoming, and they always look out for us and watch our back. So it's been really cool to have that experience.
Yeah, in that part we're very nice. Nobody steals your things on the beach or where you go. But either way, we need to think positive, you know, for the country and for the tourists and for everybody.
Yeah.
Also, enjoy with the food, enjoy with the people.
Have a cansada.
And have a casado, rice and beans, why not? And maybe why not get a place to live here. This is a beautiful place to be.
It is a beautiful place to be. Yeah.
And thank you guys for giving me this question, and thank you for coming again after a couple years. That's amazing.
Yeah, thank you. We really appreciate, you know, just your kindness and everything that you've done. Like I said, on her birthday, you helped to make a very special day.
Yeah, I remember.